Christmas because it symbolizes the joy that we have for what Christ has done for us. So we are all joyful that because of Jesus, we are now have a direct connection to our God that comes with Him through prayer, devotion, and meditation. For me, celebrating Christmas symbolizes those three things. Yung great love, yung reconciliation and forgiveness, at saka yung being joyful. Pero, still, walang makakapalit doon. Walang pa rin makakapalit sa true meaning of Christmas. It is the celebration of God's ultimate gift, the birth of Jesus Christ, and all God's good gifts that Jesus brought with Him to this world. It's my decision.
Salamat po sa magandang mensahe ng ating nakatulong si Brother Joey. Para po tayo mas pabuhay pa po ng loka ng ating sigla, tayo po ay magpapalaro kasi pinapagaling ako sa nabagos. So, natawagan po napansin, I need 5 volunteers each gender po. Male versus female. So, yan po ito, yung sikat na game ngayon. So, gusto ko po ay mag-volunteer kayo. Kung hindi, magtatawag po ako.
Love, volunteer ka.
Ikaw na, Ate Love!